Hello and welcome back to the Featherweight Shop. Today I want to address a common spot that gets overlooked in how the tension unit is threaded. Now, when I'm teaching featherweight classes, I regularly have a machine or two that has some tension issues. And many times I quickly realize that the tension unit has simply not been threaded correctly. Here's a featherweight properly threaded, and here's one that's going to give us problems. So let me show you a simple step to make sure you are using the tension unit correctly. First, when the presser foot is lifted, the tension unit spring is compressed and the tension discs become loose so that the thread can be placed between the two discs. After passing the thread over the top thread guide, the thread goes down and between the discs and around to the other side. And here's an important step that's often missed. When the thread comes around to the other side, it needs to be pulled up to about the 1 o'clock position. But if you don't hold the thread here to put resistance on the thread as it's coming off the spool, it won't drop into this slot right here. And without the thread in that slot, it's not using all of the tension discs, and therefore it's going to give you inconsistent tension and often an erratic appearing stitch. So after bringing the thread down and through the discs on the right side, use your finger to press the thread up against the machine, and then when you bring the thread up to the 1 o'clock position, the thread will have enough tension to pull through the discs, and it'll drop into that groove. Amazing that something as simple as putting your finger on the thread as you navigate the tension unit can make a world of difference. Continue on with threading the rest of the machine and you're ready to sew. Just another tip from the Featherweight Shop. If you have any questions, give us a call.